This 3-year-old knows tools better than an adult. What this tool is? What's that, Elijah? What are you holding?
A paintbrush.
What do we do with that?
You do painting.
You do painting with that?
Yeah.
Nice. And what's this?
And you do grooming with it.
What is this? What's it called?
It's called a screwdriver.
Screwdriver? Well done. What do you do with screwdriver?
You do gluing.
You do screwing?
Glue.
Nice. And what do we have next, Elijah?
You have this and this.
What is this?
Double cords. Knuckle plier.
Okay. So,
That cord plier.
well done. That one called pliers. The other one's not. What do we do with the pliers?
You do you do this.
Nice. Do you want to show Daddy how to do it? Wow. What do we have next? What's that?
That you this.
But what is it?
A measuring tape.
Measuring tape. Wow. And what do you do with measuring tape?
You do like this.
Wow. And wow, that's so cool. What's that, Elijah?
A big roller for this.
What is it called?
It's called a billion roller.
Spirit level, yes. And how do you do with spirit? What do you do with spirit level?
You do this.
To check what?
We checking.
We're checking. We're checking what?
We checking this.
Nice. So we check if it's straight. Well done. Is it straight?
Yeah, it's straight.
Oh, good. What's next? What's next? Yeah. What is this?
Bang.
What are these?
There were two banners.
Two spanners. Nice. What do you do with spanners?
You do these.
Are you tightening screws?
And you type the good.
You're tightening screws. Nice. And
That solved it.
what's this? Nice. What is it called?
It's called sanding block.
What do you call it?
It's called the sanding block.
Sanding block. What do you do with sanding block?
You do this.
Let's see. Nice. So you sand things with that. Nice. And now, what is Elijah's most favorite tool?
Yeah.
What is that, Elijah?
The groundy.
It's a drill. What do you do with the drill?
I do make some. I do this.
What are you doing?
I'm making a hole.
Making a hole? Nice.
Thank you, everyone.
Behind the scenes.
Teach me.